Hello, my people. How na dey? Also, na dey fine. Because of the slap wey double chief give Abat go open GoFundMe. He say people, na he tell am say, bring your account, come do this one. I know say Abat, e dey against make people dey bring account, make people come dey donate. E don tell where Abat need this donation. Not be today oh. Now I no know. During that time wey e come dey shout say, hey, make una see the camera wey be say dem carry for e office na 5,000 na dem take dey buy. E don take. Now I come pursue Abat enter house. I say Abat enter house. If you try and bring your account come out, many people come tell am say, oh yeah, enter house, go work. UK for them, they work day. No consider for live video. You wait say you no want make people they donate. Now you want consider they come donate for you. Abat just see opportunity. Baka, he just run come out. He just say, nah, he want do GoFundMe. GoFundMe. If I put am for 2.8. For those of una wey be say follow am, if I put am for £2,800, when he see say dem don dey donate, you understand? The money don dey high. About comot gbagban, e go high am to 5,000. E go put am for 5,000. Wara is there donate. You see all those of una wey be say una don't know wetin una wan use money to do. Wara is there donate is there. So about you wan come tell me say Obazee no fit take lawyer for you. You say this 5,000 where you put for years, so e no go even reach you to do any court case. E no go reach you. You know why? Because you, the one where you get up Kenya, when then they do court case, you know testimony go they come out. Oh, I know say this money you want use and take chop Facebook not they pay again like that, you know. I just know because later you can't tell us say your lawyer can't tell you say may una just forget the issue. If they say make the prologue, it go cost many money. You not want make your fans spend money. Now that one you can't tell us. We dey here and we dey watch. So 8 years where you be say you stay for government. 8 years, 8 good years. You not get lawyer. Obazee no fit give you lawyer say in case of City, they insult everybody, they insult men, they insult women. Nothing. This one a small one. You know say you first tell us say you get the bring paper come for you. When it comes to all this nyama way they do, even go reach Destiny itself, they even bring paper come for you. You tell us for live video. We know what you want use money to do, not be because of this slap where we say double chief give you. And you go they receive more and more. As far as say you say you no go get sense. I never see where person go give you slap, you go run go hospital. You want go do hell. We see all these things we don't first see and you now you they come online all the time. You say you not dey okay. Person we not dey okay, we be say they give you and slap. You know what they call like come spend 2 hours so or come say 1 hour 30 minutes for live video. About go and work on UK. They say work day. Why you not want go work? You say do all those now wey be say una dey throw away una money for inside bush. December don dey come now. If una no go give una parents money make dem take it. Now Ogwomba na go kill una. Ogwomba must buy una because person wey sit down for inside house, e get leg, e get hand. E no be say e no dey waka, no be say dey sick, nothing do am. Abat wey be say chop government money, chop. He can't sit down for UK. He can't tell una for when na there for Nigeria say, "Mona not worry, say those states everything don't dey okay." When you know saying with Obazee they don't carry heavy money, big money, or Kenya ni go, now they carry wrong. Una they donate for now. Why una no get sense? Now make injure still use now because you know say una no get sense. Person like me, I can't give her back wey be say. Where e dey work dey work. They say that they beg person say I beg which one you go do, which one you go take get time. They say that they beg them make they even come work. Not be say they the country where be say e no get work. Abak work for 8 years. He carry our money run in with Obazee now still carry on our money cause they go they give am. Who wa am your bomb we just zigo the year. He go seka or wa ze ni bio. He go seka or wa ze. Wara kwanye ekpo nemo vu o wa hanga kwanje be dagbongwa ekpo nemo vu now na go dey spend money put. If na person wey dey sick na come just na say he need money una no go give am lie titi lie. They go even dey beg una say I beg this one na person wey be say not dey okay. Not be person wey dey okay wey sit down for live video. He dey insult people. Now na go dey give una money. Una say not be me working for na true. But ekpo no feel vu wara kwanje. bag wey get home now na go dey put, now na go dey spend put, una go work why me rokmaja o waraze kwa. People dey wey dey for street wey be say they find money. If you go hospital, you see somebody wey be say use operation table. His husband no get money to discharge and don't run. People they still there for there. Wa mamie ni zigo now. Una say na bad wey be say he sit down for live video. He carry away those state money. He chop pan. He carry a family come. Some of una now where they do all this thing now. Your brother they beg you say, I beg brother open store for me. Till now you never open for him. Till now you not do for them, but you see money where it be say why azo seka. O seka waze ni biyo. About Obazee, you know they work. The time where you there for Nigeria, where you there for Amagba. You say we were there for abroad, we know they work, we know they shame, we are jobless, we are this. What you can they do now? Are you not a jobless human being? When my jobless in another total now when men at can't do GoFundMe say they slap you. Where you know say you go still receive more and more. Then you go still receive. Because why? Now wait till any normal you turn on. Now what you do for grant? Now so it be. Egbe, your turn then you go sleep, say nothing they happen. Something they happen. Something must happen. If you like, you say may they donate to a 20 million for you. It not go even reach you to do court case. It not go reach. First of all, mat where you throw go give our palace, they go carry everything go. You know say na UK na you dey, and they get prince, they get king. Whether they go do it for their country, now that one they go ask them. Evidence full everywhere. You don't go say you too eat belle full, say your belle full. May you come out for that UK. May you start to the throw mats, go they give their king for that side. Abba come sit down for UK, say nothing they happen. You come from that side, they throw mats. They give our palace. You, Abat, we may me away that's one. Why is there we go fund me? I mean, ya no ra we go you if you ekbon of you vunia is there so seka wagbon. Ya is there. Actually, they said that you may you not worry, may you go ahead. Go ahead. We dey here. Sit down, look. Now big dog. Oh. Where till ya berang birine you say nothing they happen. Something must happen one day. Yes. Because not be everybody cool. Some people they if tell you say anywhere where I see you. Anywhere where I see you, you go collect. And you must collect. You will be say do that, you don't forget. Like this one where I do. After he done, he saw the map for WhatsApp, do everything. Because of Obazee, Abba don't forget. But see what you do at all, you don't forget. When he see you, now he give you that sugar and milk. May you drink. Now you can't say me they go. Oh, I mean, no who are no zoo and like you say me they can't they do GoFundMe. O wa mi obom yo we wani zigoni. O wa mi obom yo we ya azo seka. O seka wa aze ni biyo. O seka wa izeze wa aze ni biyo. O wa wa izokwa wa mi rokba ya o. Aba we sit down, they throw mats, they give ring roads. Now na come they go fund me. Now na come say me sit down, me come they name no worry. Aba you see this 5,000 where you put for years, so it not go reach you to do anything. Tell them say na 20,000, 100,000. Now you want to do case. Shebi you want do case. Now abroad with day. You think say na Nigeria where be say you tell the lawyer say no worry. I get one land for this so place. I get for them make I sell am. I go come bring and come. For you to even go meet lawyer, carry and go say, you be bully for social media. You don't know where they waka they go. And evidence is everywhere. It there now. As you tell a parent or me go say, me no enter Bini. Everything there with them now. Now you want to do a case. Instead of you make your task. I know say this money, where be say they want to donate for you. You want use and say do another thing. And we see there here where you can't tell us say now your lawyer can't tell you say may you just forget about the case, may you they do your thing, may you know they mention them again. Now here we did. My people, as I see I did laugh since yesterday when I see this post where bring come out. Now they say make it bring post. Now he can say no sabi no want make it do all these things. So Obazee cannot give you anything. You just the East lab course. Because of Obazee, I know they give you anything. I suppose believe say Obazee adopts Abat or he adopts children. Now make a bat or not what you or not what you follow them. But Obazee. Now because of Obazee, now you chop slap. Now because of Obazee, now you they do all these things. Now you they go ring roads. Where me where that's one bats. Where that's one? Why is there? Where go fund me? We there here. Wani zigo ni wa oseka waraze ne biyo wa wu wa eriye dien do hai eriyo tonne do hai o ori ya wede about it now.